Welcome to this tutorial on how to read Wealthfront Investing, a comprehensive guide to understanding your investment portfolio. Wealthfront is a popular robo-advisor that provides automated investment management services. To get started, log into your Wealthfront account and navigate to the dashboard. The dashboard provides an overview of your portfolio, including the total value, cash balance, and investment returns. Look for the Portfolio Breakdown section, which displays the allocation of your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. Understand the concept of diversification, which is crucial for managing risk. Wealthfront uses a diversified investment approach, allocating your portfolio across multiple asset classes to minimize risk and maximize returns. The Portfolio Breakdown section will show you the specific allocation of your investments, allowing you to see how your money is being distributed. Wealthfront also provides performance metrics, including returns and fees. Look for the Returns section, which displays the historical performance of your portfolio, including the total return, average annual return, and return since inception. It is essential to understand the fees associated with your Wealthfront account. Wealthfront charges a management fee, which is a percentage of your total portfolio value. The fee section will display the total fees paid and the fee rate. To get the most out of your Wealthfront account, it is crucial to set clear investment goals and risk tolerance. Wealthfront provides a risk assessment tool to help you determine your risk tolerance and recommends an investment portfolio based on your goals and risk profile. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts, you can effectively read and manage your Wealthfront investing portfolio. Remember to regularly review your portfolio to ensure it remains aligned with your investment goals and risk tolerance.